Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lucas County in south-central Iowa, Monroe County in south-central Iowa, Marion County in south-central Iowa, western Wapello County in southeastern Iowa, Maska County in south-central Iowa, southern Warren County in south-central Iowa, until 8:30 a.m. At 7:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lacona, or 12 miles north of Sheraton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Indianola, Oskaloosa, Pella, Knoxville, Sheraton, Albia, Pleasantville, New Sharon, Melcher, Dallas, Edaville, Knoxville Raceway, Lake Red Rock, Milo, Russell, Lovilla, Beacon, University Park, Bosse, Lacona, and Blakesburg. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for central, south-central, and southeastern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lucas, Maska, Marion, Monroe, Wapello, and Warren. The tornado warning for northeastern Dallas County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. for central Iowa. The National